Give them a shout out. That is it. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna be the video man right now. I'm gonna go down this runway. Down there. I gotta find it. Who, me? Blessed.
Yeah, man. When come here, when I finish down the house.
Oh, yes, you know watch the video?
No, I didn't there.
Oh, you been here?
Yeah,
finish the house, man. It's finished. Finishing everything, man.
Yeah.
So I'm here now, I take
a break.
Yeah, you know, see me.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, blessed love, dream team, one team, dream team, one team. So, yes, it's a wonderful day, you know, nice sunshine, as you can see. I'm on the road, stopping to get some fruits. So, I'm stopping to get some fruit because I'm heading out, I'm heading to the resort. Yeah, I'm heading to the resort. No, it's not Oliver and Carla. I know once here we say resort, you say Oliver and Carla, but big up and blessings to Oliver and Carla. So this is anonymous, it's an unknown donor, it's an unknown extended family who always been a regular unknown donor to the program, and we leave it as unknown, So it's a special invitation, so that the family of them is here from the UK, and then like what I've done, and them say, where they deserve a break, and them invite me down to the Rio, so it's my first time going to the Rio, so we give thanks to our extended family, and I thank them so much, for this wonderful vacation, because they really love the house opening, and it was a quick emergency vacation, them call me out the blue and say, listen, interested, we got a space down here for you at the rear, you're coming down. I said, of course, not gonna miss an opportunity. But yeah, man, so we give thanks. So no, it's not Oliver and Carla. No, you must be thinking, oh, it's Oliver and Carla. No, but hopefully we can feature them. But they said they asked me, please, we're not the camera type, and them want to keep it unknown same way. So hopefully if them change their mind, you might see a glimpse or a feature of the whole family from the UK, and I will give thanks, they're unknown, always been an unknown donor to the program for almost them time till now, from Jinjin days. So I thank them so much for this wonderful vacation, get that fresh air. yeah man, I thank you so much. You know, so I'm heading out, so you know I'm gonna head and show you the journey. So yeah man, so we give thanks, so stay tuned, you know, keep it up to date. Dream Team One Team, so blessings to all my Dream Team members. Oliver and Carla, give thanks, you know, you set the trend. Hey, Oliver set the trend. Carla, you set the trend, you set the trend, you set the trend. So blessings to all Dream Team One Team, you know, it's the only Dream Team. here at the resort. Rio just touched down. Yeah man, so blessed love. So we're there, you know, at Rio. You know, we're gonna check in and everything. But me I tell you, the sun is hot. I'm not even lying. But yeah, we're at Rio. Nice and bright. Nice and bright, yeah man. So blessed love to our unknown source, you know, our unknown extended family. You know, thank you so much for this wonderful vacation. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, thank you so much. You know, it's too bad, you know, they don't want to show them, the family don't want to show themselves on the video, you know, so sorry to say that the family don't want to show themselves on the video. So the show will go on, definitely. It will go on, you know, and so, but it's a pleasant welcome, you know. And I'm here once more at the resort. Yeah man, checking in. God bless you. So I'm just going to walk and check out the place before we get changed and jump into the water. So I'm going to walk and check out the slide. Hey, them have slide. Whoa. Whoa, them have slide too, you know. So you know, I'm going to walk and check out the slide as well too. You know, so I'm going to go and scout the place first before I get changed. So you know, I have to check out the place first, you know. Scope out the place. I go to Oliver and say, Kino, let's walk the place first. So you know, so right now I'm Oliver for Oliver experience all the resorts. So yeah, so I go and check out the places first, you know, so I'm keeping you all in the loop for this trip. You know, keeping you all in the loop for this trip. We're there at Rio. It's my first time here at Rio. So
no woman, no cry.
Blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning. So you know what time it is, you know. Pool, slide, beach, water, everything we can call it. You know, so good morning, blessed love to all. So we're here again. What a beautiful morning. Look at the tropical in the north coast. So beautiful. So beautiful. Even how hard down probably. Beach. Who, me?
Yeah, man. Okay, you know, what you doing?
Listen.
Yeah, man. I'm come here when I finish down the house. It done?
Yes, and I watch the video.
No, me there.
Oh, you been here?
Yeah,
I finished the house, man. It's
yeah,
finished.
So we see.
Finishing everything, man.
Yeah.
So I'm here now. I take
a break.
Yeah, you know, see me, extended family watch the program, invite me here as well. Today.
Alright, good, man. Come me see where she did the day before. Bibi.
Oh, Bibi.
Yeah, she was here the day before no come.
Oh, she was here now?
Yeah, man, talk to her.
See it there.
Yeah.
So meet one more of our extended family.
Right next to Boss, we live a little walk with the children.
Boss.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Because them days them have blue scene police too. We used to call them market police. It wasn't just red stream Babylon.
I'm telling me a baby.
Yeah, man. Blue stream. Blue stream. One of them yard we used to live in a blue stream Babylon yard.
Okay.
Yeah, that time, remember mattress used to make out a kaya. I don't know if you ever hear about that kaya mattress. Yeah, we used to have a place across the road at Thomas Street where them beat the kaya. Coconut trash, you know.
Oh.
And that used to make mattress. And that used to joke you up, man. Yeah, man.
But
kaya.
I think you never born them time there, I be with them time.
Yeah, man. Kaya mattress, you know.
Yeah, kaya. But me them talk about kaya mattress.
Yeah, man.
Them come out tight and
yeah, man.
You.
A coconut bowl.
Coconut
trash,
bowl.
You know, the trash.
So me born at springtime.
Alright.
You know the spring mattress then.
Yeah.
Spring in the sponge.
Yeah, new born, yeah, new age.
Yeah.
New
So when you can feel the spring in it and when you
yeah,
open
man,
you can see the
we never
spring
feel
there.
that, we just feel it.
The joke.
Yeah, man.
Very cold times change.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man. Yeah, but the show the good and things still, you know. Because my youth did visit to one time, but you never did it there. My youth. Him come and gone. Him did
last year.
Yeah, him did pass
Oh, your son?
Yeah, because we take photograph with baby them and thing, innit?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but you never did it there.
How much family there? Probably the...
Probably that little trip like this or something.
Okay. Yeah, kind of what time before I would like? Summertime or something?
Yeah, man, I'll be a period.
All year period. See you there?
Yes, you know, man. Keep up the good work, man. Because we just say we have come down there and thing. You know, but how it go? The youth gone back before we.
Okay.
Because him die at the car.
Yeah. So I'm gone back.
Yeah, I'm going to do more things, drop and down. So,
He just go and leave at the resort.
yeah, you know.
Let me ask you, because we've been watching from Jin time.
Yeah.
Is he okay?
Yeah.
Still there?
Yeah, still there, same way, you know.
Yeah, we don't walk past the house all the time.
Yeah, I'm now say, Jin.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so he's there, man. He's alright and thing. You know, and he's one of them from the start. He's still there coming up seeing me.
That's how long we've been watching.
But just Prince Ed kind of gone again.
Yeah, man, I don't miss it.
Yeah. Till it get worse now. Because Tree man smoke. Him now stop the smoking.
Him look after him place. Yeah, we know of the place, you know.
I don't know how he might keep it now. You know? Because Tree now we're going to go around there and things. So I don't know how he might keep it.
Because when we walk through the place, man, some people could have do the most. The family could have do that place like that.
A lot. As I said, the place there. The place is very, very bad. A lot of people need help. You know, so for rebuild Trenchtown, and trust me, we need next generation to come take over from me. You know, because there's so much needed right there in Trenchtown, you know.
See it.
So that's how when people watch them like, who never know Trenchtown was like this?
Yeah, man. No, when I see it, man, I say no, man. All the barren land. Nah, man.
And I think Trenchtown was like Nigger side or like the resort, them expect it to look
yeah,
like,
man,
you know?
some good places at the boat, man. Serious.
Hopefully we can get the job done, you know?
Yeah, man.
One by one.
Take a while, yeah, man.
Yeah, but let's probably just continue to do it, you know. Hopefully we can inspire another generation come do the same thing.
Yeah,
So
but
we need to do something.
Why, years.
oh, them talk, man,
Really
them talk.
do.
Yeah, years now we expect that, you know, so
That's the best thing them do, man, is start. But when you come to the action, you know.
And when it's close to election, you see them come on and fix a road and fix a pipe. And then gone again and say goodbye.
Yeah, man.
You know. So that's why we have to give thanks to our extended family we make it work, you know. To come together and send a donation. And the members them that team up and we can help out each other. Because otherwise, remember, leave, you know. Too much years and when I come back and I realize, see them leave the stone there. Yeah. You see them leave the stone right there, come back and see the same stone. You know, just imagine how the people them go through. Like there's like no hope. You know, so living somewhere, so sit down, looking on the wall and you're like, what's gonna happen next? You know? Like just living, waiting to die. No expectation, you know, so we give thanks. So I'm here with one of our great subscribers, them, our extended family, Glenroy. We have Glenroy and his Denise. Yeah man, I would thank you so much. They are the beach and say, look, you know, they check out the next poolside before we start swimming. You know, me already and love my water.
Alright, keep hold it down there.
Yeah man, cool man. Alright, take care. But the sun is hot.
Yeah man.
The sun is hot.
Come here boy, back home, not going back home, England now, all the weather bad out there now.
Yeah.
Rain and all.
Period now though. Well it's not bad as New York where them have storm over there.
Yeah.
See the whole lot of floodings are going over there.
Yeah.
Pure flooding, train station, all the roads them flood out. I couldn't believe it when I see it, you know. Couldn't believe it.
Boy, we're going around the world is like revelation, you know. So,
A lot of disaster are going to start happening now from nature. Yeah. Just like how you have a lot of the beach them, you see them and come over and take over the rivers are dry up as well too. You see that as well in Jamaica.
Poor country them drinking water, business are going on, you know.
Remember when you used to drink water from the pipe when you're younger?
Yeah.
You can't do that anymore. That's pure chlorine. And when you're younger, even me when I was younger, I used to go to the pipe and full of belly with water. You cannot do that now, it's pure chlorine. Even if you boil the water, the pot white like chalk. You know, never in my time.
Yeah, because same thing I sure I say, the water, the bottle of water in the fridge. You know, and the proper water. I'm sure I say, watch out, ingredients from bottle, but water, ingredients in the water, mineral water.
Because in your time, they never used to sell water.
No,
when I was younger growing up, they never used to sell water. Just got the pipe and catch your water.
Yeah, man, you say we're going to a assistant and catch water.
Catch water, but now water become a business. Yeah. You know, everybody has sell bottled water, all different type of names. You know, so much different water.
Let me ask you, we still have pit toilet at Trenchtown side?
No.
And Jonestown used to have pit toilet?
No, but some place have the outside toilet. But what them do is them kind of put a toilet inside it and run a main where them can put the water. Most of them still have the outside toilet. Yeah. Some build some toilet in the house.
Yeah, man. That was like pit toilet, it's a whole dig, you know.
Yeah.
My, when you open the door to go in the back, fly lick your foot and then cockroach, you know.
Some big
cockroach and there.
Some big one. So that's why we're going to build for the whole show. So we're building a bathroom.
Alright. Yeah. Cause long time when they visiting place and thing, but we never get back to it. Because of the Dana project.
The Dana project. So him next now we're going to do it. And
right. Me not curse Dana, you know, but I go say, me not see her pay no visit around a few times and you could help pick up a few things and help on the clear up.
You understand.
You know, no, sometimes I'm disappointed when I see that.
Yeah.
Where she there? She could be helping. Me say, leave the girl them a sweet one thing. She could have did a help out to man and get her hand to pick up the rubbish.
Yeah, I understand, you know. I understand. So, but we never really to look at it that way, let's say. Because, you know, because she would have there, so would have say, you know.
Yeah, I know what you say, but for me, you know.
I understand that show a little gratitude.
Yeah, man.
I understand, man. Nothing wrong with that, man, you know.
People like
but she try, you know. She always try, but she always try like one half to come and she
we see her when she did that.
You know, so we don't know if I show. She's probably sick or she can't even move things. We never question it. You know, because, you know, probably some people can't even manage to move around or something. I never have a clue what going on. But she should try sometime, you know, and we can't see the struggle.
Yeah, but overall, I can't say a lot of people on the media. You know?
Too much. Too much. You know, it's too much. I wish I have a bulldozer where I can bulldoze most of the house them and build up some new ones, you know?
Yeah, that's what needed.
even like them containers, they could use those, couldn't they?
Yeah, we can put AC in them.
yeah. Because of the metal.
Right, put AC in them. But
they use them in
people
England.
convert it to house though.
Yeah,
I've
man,
seen that.
Yeah. So most of them use them for business now.
Yeah.
Yeah, they cut out windows and doors, you know, and then put in AC and paint it and
Yeah, because
business, office.
even in England now, they might use porta cabin.
Yeah, in London.
Okay.
Temporary housing.
temporary housing.
Oh, yesterday, man, you go inside of them. You
Can't believe.
can't believe it. See what?
Cause they like them use like dry water or something
Yeah,
inside
yeah, man.
for us get out the rules there, man. It makes sense.
Even
Sooner
that
or
the
later.
government can do, you know, pay the poor people more.
Oh yeah, bad word they are telling me now. They are telling the government
Help,
bad words. So.
help the poor.
Which one?
You know?
Which one? Oh, we have to go and help the poor, you know. Cause we are begging the government, help me, you know. Help me.
You know, yeah, because as you say, it's only election time, you see them.
Yeah. So we don't really look for no help from them, you know, because they never want to do it in the first place. So if they're not doing it now, they're not gonna do it then. You know, so we try to make a difference, you know, for sure. So listen, even though you're government, we can do better than what you're doing.
Yeah.
You know. So that's why we think we're doing better as a human being coming together, trying to help each other. So imagine if all politicians coming together and trying to help Jamaica.
Yeah, but them should have a fun, man, when them put the airport still, you know.
Right.
Airport are community where I try to come together. and
Yeah,
help one
yeah.
They
another.
help the poor, haven't they? They've got some charity. That help
What,
homes
government
and
back?
houses. Yeah.
I don't know about that, I don't hear about that.
Alright, Glenn.
Yeah, man.
I'll catch up
Bless
on
you.
the
Yeah,
reason,
man.
yeah?
Yeah, man.
Why?
Take care.
Yeah, so you're going to see me around still?
Yeah,
You're going
man.
to see me around, but you have a reason, have a
Tomorrow
dream.
gone still.
Okay, see you
Yeah,
there.
man, 2 weeks there now.
What?
Tomorrow gone.
Alright then, back in the...
Buck up.
Yeah man,
Yeah?
so back in the bad weather. Live in the lovely tropical weather. Alright, bless us, yeah. Yeah man, so that's one of our one of our extended family, Glenn and his wife, you know, brought them up here in the Riu Resort. Look at yourself, look at yourself, look at yourself. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. The sun is really hot. Yeah man, so blessings and big up to Glenn. You know, Glenn, much love, much respect. I imagine Glenn say, see him say baby as well to down here. When day before yesterday. You know, but baby gone back now. You know, I know him see me today. Look at that, what a coincidence. So blessings man, so real. You know, it's a lovely chill out for you guys who wanna have a chill out at Riu. Lovely. Cool. Yes. So that was the pool fun. You know, I'm telling you yesterday I'm have to take on the slide. So you know now I'm heading towards the slide now. So I'm not like eyes are red. So I already enjoyed the pool. So now I'm heading towards the slides. I'm heading to the slides now. All I can see the water in my eyes. Come on guys, please pray for me coming down this big slide. You know? Coming down the big slide. Choo choo! I'm begging you, pray for me. Pray for me. That feels weird. Yeah. But seriously, I have to do it again. I really have to do it again. Whoa. I start worry. I was like, shit, I'm moving so far. I'm going again. I'm going. See it? The man said, yeah. Alright, so this time, now I get some instruction from the man. You get me? So I'm going back up there again. Lord. So you have this. The general, not lie. That's a while ago.
What are we doing?
Yo, the speed we have go down and
Fast, man.
fast.
You wanna go for the liquor straight to like the plane on took off now.
Yeah.
Then I catch your water.
I catch the water. Jaja. What the eye name?
Adrian.
Adrian. So you have the lifeguard man. Adrian, the lifeguard man. You know, I tell you, so it feels good.
Yeah, man.
But you're my first time I do it. Now I wonder, who may I go so fast?
Yeah.
Yeah,
man.
So we're going to try it out back again.
Yeah, man. We have one over there now, the red one.
Yeah.
That's fast, you know.
Yeah.
So you look your ticker. Red one down there, sir.
Oh, that one there?
Yeah, so you look your ticker. So you come in here like this.
Yeah.
So you think you have a little boom,
Yeah.
so you look your ticker too.
And shut ya.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The yellow one is the slowest one. The yellow one.
Oh, this one is the slowest one. And what about the green one?
Yeah, green one fast.
Fast too.
But this one is the speed one.
So which one faster, this or that one?
This one the red one.
This one the red one?
Yeah.
Alright, can I tell that one you're fast?
Alright, yeah, man. Fast.
Fast, so now go again. Are you going to be the video man this time? So right now,
friend.
see the man, you're the video man. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Give them a shout out. Yeah. That is it.
Yeah,
so right now, you're going to be the video man right now when I go down this runway. Like plane and take off.
Yeah, man.
Ready again.
Yeah, man.
Ready.
Down there. God almighty. Roy.
Still I go and see you here. Yo, I'm not lie. I think I make your heart a beat when you go
The wicked on the one.
Yo, the speed. It make my heart a beat. I'm not lying.
You can't swim one.
Eh?
You can't swim
Yeah. Which one is the fast one?
The middle one, the red one.
This one. So yo, Come up now. So them said this is the fast one, you know, so we're going the fast runway. So I'm taking up on the journey. I'm taking on the journey. Going up on the journey. Hey. Yo, that was on the journey. No. Yo, that was on the journey. Yo, you love that? I mean, you love it. And I like it's hard. You move so fast, your heart beat so fast. You worry, where you go so fast, you know? Yes, nah lie. Lord, when you come to Rio, this is something you have to try out. Whenever anyone come to Rio, you have to try out the slides. I'm not even lying. So you see this twist one here, I'm gonna try it out. I'm definitely gonna try out the twist. Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out. Nah, I'm gonna do it next. Twist. So this time I'm gonna take the GoPro in there and keep on going. Twist, somebody will come down. Or little bit and come down. We not reach yet. I want the slow. That one that's slow though. That one that's slow. Oh, I'm gonna try out the red one. Red and yellow. I'm gonna try out the red and yellow. Eh? What you say? Yeah. The red and yellow. Ring a rose here. The red and yellow is ring around and round and round and round and round. This. Yeah. Oh, the water in your eye. Yeah man, so we'll try that one. Now guys, remember whenever you come through here, you have to try out the slides. You know, you have to try the slides out. Nah, like, it's a bit different from Hilton. You know, it's a bigger drop. You know, Hilton, you're on the tube going round. But this one is fast. Imagine you slide down on your back so fast. Lord. Oh, yeah. My back red? See the man say my back red, so imagine that. Most ready if I come down the runway, so I should have put on a t-shirt. Should have put on a marina. So my back red. You know, like when tire burn, so the back a burn.
I'm gonna stop right now.
Yeah. Are you going? Don't worry, it's gonna be... Lie down. Yeah, lie down on your back. Put your hand on your chest. Put your hand on your chest. She's gone. You stuck? Oh, she come out, so him come out? Oh, him come out. Again, this. Yeah. I'm going the ring a roses. Ring a roses. You ready? Alright. Oh. Woo! Yo, in the dark. Just a reach. Oh. Yo, you know on the dark. Yeah. Pitch black. Yo, let's see, it gets so dark. Yeah, yo, it gets so dark inside, like you don't know where I go. No star. No, that one that the nightmare. No, that name nightmare. We now go back on that one there. When you reach inside, as you can see from the video, it's dark. Can't see nothing. Too dark. These are the bad boys. Them a foam party going on here. Dream team, blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning. Now I put on my dark shades like Rachel's at the time the sun so hot. You know, and then I hide my morning face. Yeah man, so blessed love to all, blessed love be here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. A beautiful morning, bright sun, no rain today. And I'm strolling through so today. Sample some beach water, you know, get the salt water in and get some beach in today, swim in the beach, you know, the lovely beach, you know, I done the pool, I done the slide, so it's time for the beach, you know, before I exit home. You know, I just want to say I want to thank our extended family, you know, I love this is a wonderful vacation, you know, enough love to Anonymous, you know, and family, you know, thank you so much for inviting me here, you know. It's too bad I don't want to be on camera, but I really appreciate this vacation, you know, I really thank you so much, you know, I'm having a wonderful time, you know, so blessings and thank you so much. The Dream Team One Team, blessed morning. Beautiful morning on the beach. We are out there. sun is hot, hot.
Let me just make that clear. It's not a contract. Yeah? Because I think that's where a lot of relationships go wrong. When they go into marriage, it becomes a contract. Instead of saying who they are, how will you get one another? Oh, I own you. I own you.
Heroes in there and everything, big glassy. Nice. Moon Palace. Well, so you know I'm gonna take on the beach. Jamaica, lovely beach water. You know, here out here, so yeah man, so blessed love you all. Come on, you see this? Lovely. Get some salt water in my system. Bubbly, 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 bubbly. So it's time to go get bubbly in the beach. Getting that nice. Woo! Feel cool. Ready to go swim. We're gonna swim together. Alright, everything family. Yeah, so yeah, I'm having a lovely vacation. Very lovely, very lovely, very lovely, very lovely.
Yesterday was there.
Much better. Much better. What's it like out here?
I was thinking about Creole and I
Natural salt water. 10?
Get ready to go, you know.
Get ready to go.
Yeah, go after 4 though.
Okay, so it's nice meeting you guys.
Last
Take care.
day for you too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sooner or later, man. Flip on Facebook today, I think, you know.
Yeah? Okay. What's your name? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, true, you did. I just remember. I just see the face. Yeah, there's so much message I haven't get to, but I remember your message and I did reply, right? Yeah, I did, man.
Alright.
Glenn,
Please
yeah,
send a
man.
message, yeah, man.
Nice
yeah,
meeting
anytime
you.
come back again. I'll come and tell you
Of
something.
course, thank you so much, Wednesday. You know?
You know, come you come up with the bus, you never see that time, you know.
Yeah. So you have to. And Denise, I know you're well running out Trentstone, right? So looking forward to see as well.
Alright.
So sorry to say that you're not going, you know?
Yeah, man.
Your flight is today? Your flight is today?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Back in the cold.
So, call them say it's a real life, man.
The real man. Alright then, so take care, yeah? Yeah, man. Well, as you can see, the journey has come to that time, you know. Thank you all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. It's key in our life in Jamaica. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe. It was a wonderful time. Thank you all for watching, and thank our excellent family.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.